Hello everyone! Julia and little Cherry are here. Today you will learn how to draw a penguin. So, what you will need for drawing a penguin today, guys? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. We wish you a happy drawing, guys! So let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's start drawing our Christmas penguin. Let's start drawing two circles. It would be our penguin's eyes. So you can draw them as big as you wish. And one more circle inside. And for the spotlight, I will draw a small circle inside. And you can draw even small spotlights, even more of them. Now I will be drawing its nose, so I will just draw a line and then triangle down, so it will be its nose. And now let's draw a heart shape around his eyes, like this. And now we will be going down and down this way. So let's draw his head. I will go up and up. And I will put a Christmas hat on our penguin. So let's draw a warm, cozy hat for our penguin. So I will draw a line straight and up. And now repeating this line again. See, like this. If you have something, just you can rub it out if you don't need this. And now I will draw a line up and down. So I will draw a curved line going up a little bit at the end. Now I will draw a curved line up, and now connecting these lines like this. And the pom-pom, a circle. So our penguin has got a cute Christmas hat. Now let's connect these lines and draw a scarf. So I'm connecting these lines but leaving some space. I will show you, like going down and going down here. And I'm going the same line. And now I will draw a line here, line down, and curved one, and repeating it at the same distance and connecting. So our cute scarf is ready. And we can also draw a little one line here, straight line, and now connecting it. So now our penguin is really look like a Christmas penguin, and we don't worry that he's cold, he's really warm. Now let's draw a line straight and a line straight here, and then just curve it and go up. And the same here for his wings. And now I will be drawing like a semi-oval for its body. So I'm going this way and connecting it like this. And also we'll draw inside one more for its white belly. And start here and go down and connect. And now let's draw his legs. So I will draw a line and a line, up, down, up, down. And the same here. A line and a line, and up, down, connecting. So our penguin is ready, and he's really cute. And if you wish, you can also draw eyebrows. So just a line and a line here. It's really cute. And let's draw a North Pole sign. Although penguins don't live on North Pole, but it's Christmas, so miracles can happen. So I will draw a line here and a line here. And now I will draw a curved line here. Curved it like this, it's for the eyes. And now connecting this line. Now I will draw a rectangle, so you can draw it as big as you wish or as small as you wish. And connecting the lines. And here I will go a little bit up. And now I will draw an eyes. So I will go down and draw waves of different shapes and lengths and connecting it. So it's really cold there. And we can draw also curved line here like this. Now let's continue this line up and this line going up. And now we will draw a circle on the top of it. So here we go. And then we will write here that this is a North Pole sign. So I will also draw a line and a line, creating this Christmas pattern. And the same here. It's really cool now. And all we have to do now is just to color it. Okay guys, let's color our penguin. I'm coloring from his eyes. I will be using blue, and you can use any color you wish. It can be green, brown, whatever color you like, guys. And for his nose I will use yellow orange, and the same for his legs. And now we will be coloring his Christmas hat, so I will be using red. And you can create different patterns on the hat and color it any color you wish. And you can leave space for the spotlight, or then just use a white pencil or pen to color the hat and to drop some spotlights and reflections. So just to make our penguin look really cute. And you can make just a drawing, or maybe you will decide to do a postcard or a decoration for your house of this drawing. Why not? And now coloring its head and body. No rush here, just take your time, relax and enjoy coloring this cute, adorable penguin. And you can give him or her a name. It's really cute, I love him, he's so adorable. And I will make his scarf purple, and you can use any color you wish or create some dots and spots. Maybe we will decide to do some stripes. Why not? He's really cute, and let's draw our North Pole sign. So I will be using red for the top, leave some space for shiny look, and I will be drawing white and red, and going down. I will also do a red frame here, and we'll show a little bit red as well here, just to make this eyes pop up. And you can also use pencils to shade it, maybe light blue, maybe even brighter blue. Yeah. And now I will write North Pole here, so I'll just and you can drop some shadows and lights if you wish, or just make it wider, just using a marker to make it really readable. And we can also drop some shadows with light gray. It's really not light, so I'll be using lighter one, and we will be dropping some shadows. Or maybe you will decide to use like light blue, why not, and shadow here as well. Yeah, it looks really cool. And now I will drop shadow here. Here as well. So, and here. And drop some lights with light white pencils. So I will drop It's really a Christmas penguin. He's so cute and adorable. That's the cutest penguin I have ever seen. It's so cute. It really looks like a snow is lying here. Yeah? Yeah, it's just a great painting we have created, guys, today. So, and you can maybe drop a little bit of blue here, just to give an idea of snow and coldness. And look, guys, how cool is our Christmas penguin? Well done, guys! This is just the cutest penguin we have created today. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed drawing a penguin with us today. And if you like our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see our next video about Santa. Thank you for watching. We love you guys. Bye bye.